What's up, you guys? Creditconsultanz here. Let's face it, we all have had our credit pulled to determine our credit worthiness. Whether if that was for a car, a house, a credit card, you name it. Even renting an apartment can be hard if you have bad credit. Your credit score and report is a big part of your life, unless you purchase everything with cash and enjoy paying deposits, which we all know that's highly unlikely. The truth is, the bureaus have engineered you to be oblivious to their system, and in doing so, profiting off of your ignorance. We want to inspire you to begin and continue your credit journey. It's our duty to educate you on the knowledge the bureaus have kept secret in regards to the credit industry that normal people don't even have a clue about. Our goal is to improve your understanding, thus improving your scores and helping you obtain your goals. Step by step, our team is here to help. We offer services and products such as credit restoration, primary trade lines, authorized user trade lines, business and personal credit building guidelines created just for you. You are just one consultation away from starting the process and taking control of your life. Don't hesitate. This process is something you have to start sooner than later. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, and also click the bell for notifications. All links will be left below, and be sure to check out our website for all of your credit needs. This is Taylor with Creditconsultanz. Thank you for your time.